Hello. Hi. So I decided to get into sewing and I picked up this machine. Let's turn it on the other side. Show you. I picked it up at Walmart for $1.50. A foundation has helped me out and I decided to get into this. Eventually, hopefully as a business. But for right now, I'm going to get started. So this is the Singer 3337 and it has a lot of stuff. I'll link to a channel that went over this machine and has a lot more details about it. A wonderful lady that has a great channel about sewing, so she has a lot more information. But these are all the parts that came with it, which is really cool. Let's see if I can do this without getting a reflection. There we go. And we'll go over all of these as we unbox it. So I'm going to do an unboxing. Here we go. All I have are these scissors. So we're going to use those. Always go away from your body. There we go. And so, I'm not going to edit with music or anything. I'm just going to go for it. I don't do a lot of editing because I like to show the real world of how long it takes to do things, because that's really how life is. So if you want to do a certain thing, then you can make decisions on your time and everything. So here is a little flyer. All right. There's some more information from Singer. I decided to go ahead and get the Singer, even though I know it's not one of the, old ones that are, but they have a lot of experience, It's not all metal, but they do have a lot of experience, so I thought I'd pick it out. This is really nice, so it has a bunch of directions. Yep. And let me see, it's preparing the machine and the bobbin thread, and then threading the top thread. So that's kind of nice. All right. So if you can't follow a video, you can always do that. And then there's a small booklet. Now I think, you have to go online and print out some more directions and things, a booklet. But I don't have a printer or anything right here, so I would have to go to the library and do that. My computer is in storage. So what we're going to do, we're going to do it this way. Take that out. Okay, now this is how I do things because of my bad shoulder. I let gravity help me take things out of boxes. It's very easy. I've been doing this with monitors and cases and all kinds of stuff. That's the easiest way to do it. And then, so this has a nice cover. It's a little wrinkled, but it's a cover. Sit that right there. Okay. Here are lots of stuff that came with it that, whoops, poked through the bag already. Look at that. Okay. All right, so from here, I'm going to go like this. Carefully take this part off. Put it down in there in a second. And then go through the other side and turn it around like that. And go ahead and take the other side off. Okay. And we'll set the box over here out of the way. So let's take a look at what we have here. Set these over here. And we'll get into this little bag of goodies in a minute. So this is how it comes out of the box. We have the paper or the plastic on the bottom. I don't even know how this is coming out. I hope this video is going to be okay because I'm just going to upload it as is. So then we have the foot pedal. So we'll take that out like that. And I already watched the lady's videos, so I know where this, besides I'm a computer tech anyway, so I know where these things end up getting plugged in. It's easy to find. In this case, it's going to be over here on the side, right there. So you're going to have your foot pedal right here. Set that aside. And then your power. You plug it in there and then to the wall. So if you want to take this on the road, you have to have power available, which I will plan on doing eventually. But in the meantime, I'm in a motel room at the moment. So there's the cord. We'll do that in a little while. We don't need it plugged in right now. Okay, and then we can take a look at the goodies. See what we have here. I'll try to bring them close to the camera. Let's see if I can open this. It's always hard to open these sometimes when they're right next to each other. Those flaps are next to each other. Okay, and we have a hole in it. Okay, so we have some more instructions and information. Okay, in a couple different languages. And then, so here's what comes in the little packet. So we have little bobbin, extra bobbin there, empty bobbin. Now, I don't know what all of these items are. I have to go back over her video, which I will link, so you can take a double check of these, but these are the items. Oops, let me see, make sure I got this in front of the camera there. Okay, this is a nice Allen wrench and screwdriver. Whoops, screwdriver and Allen wrench. Okay, then we have a couple of needles, which is nice. And we have a brush to help clean the lint, that I understand. Oh, another bobbin. Oops. Another empty bobbin. Okay. There's two different types of bobbins here, I think. Yeah. They're two different. Wait a minute. Nope, they're the same size. Okay. Should be only one bobbin size. Okay. So, what is this? This is a plate for something, and we'll check that out. I know this has to do with buttons. Button plate. Now this one has to do with having the thread up on top. The reason I got this particular machine is because you can have two types of thread instead of just one. So I like that. And then this can go over this. I think I saw her do that. Yeah, like that. Let's see. I'm not sure how. I have to figure this out. So that'll be a lesson to learn. And then, I know this has something to do with buttons. Holding the button, she said. The lady had said in her video. This is a foot. It has to do with something. We will learn as we go, which is fine with me. I like learning. And then, that away. All right, this is some kind of plate. I'm just showing you what comes in the kit. Oops, here we go. I mean, these are all different things, and you can buy a batch of feet, so this is nice because it has the little guide right here. see, you can, for the seam allowance, this is a nice guide. So I like this foot. Okay. So at the top, this will be for one type of thread, and this is for another type of thread. There's two types of threads. So that's why I like this one, and it has a handle, which is nice. And then it has all the directions on 1, 2, that's a 5, so 3 is somewhere down there. So we will learn how to thread it. This will, over here, will thread the bobbin. This right here. So obviously this kind of thread can go on the bobbin as well. So figure that out. So let's turn it. Right. All right, a screw fell out. So we'll figure that out, no problem. And looks like it's all the way down. So first thing to learn how to bring it back up. I think you use this one. Yeah, okay. That brings up right here. It brings up the whole needle, but how do you bring the foot up? It's right here in the back. All right. So right here in the back, that will bring the foot up. Okay. And then pull that out. Right. Set that aside, and that's where the bobbin's going to go. So there's tape right here. I'll take the tape off, and it goes up around the back. Okay, so basically this is an unboxing of the Singer whoops, what was it? I forgot already, right? 333, there we go, 3337. So there's one more thing that I know is really cool, and I have to clip it off of here without breaking it and do it correctly. And this comes off, and it's a little, okay, it's a little tight, so I don't know. It makes for a spot for sleeves, and it has a little, okay, I don't want to break it, so this is a little pocket here. It comes off to have a little place to put all these items and more stuff if you want. It looks like it clips right off of there, and I don't know. Oops! Oh, sorry about the screech. Okay, I'm not going to bother it right now. I don't want to break it. I will, it looks like it might clip over here, but I will figure it out and then do it. Let me see, try one more thing. I have a tendency to break things when I can't get it right away, and I don't want to do that. So I will get that off later, but for now, that's just an unboxing of the Singer 3337, $150 at Walmart. Thanks for watching. Please check out the other channels. Check out the other channels of the ladies who really know how to sew, and we're good sewing. I'm going to do more videos. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. I hope that I can create some good videos as we go. Maybe we can sew together sometime. Bye.